Hello, my name is Josh Bandy. I'm the Director of Installation and Service here at High Definition Solar. We offer turnkey installation for solar photovoltaic or PV installs for residential homes. We also offer re-roofs for homes in the event of a re-roof being needed for the installation. We use Canadian solar panels for all of our installs, and we offer the Enphase IQ8 microinverter. This microinverter gives the functionality for the microgrid, which will power your home in the event of a daylight power outage. What distinguishes High Definition Solar from other local companies here in the Bay Area is our quick and immediate turnaround time and our communication to our customers. We keep you aware of every step of the process, whether it's site check, permit application, scheduling inspection, or performing the work itself. We use state-of-the-art technology as well as on-site visits to ensure that the system that is being put on your home is the most optimal it can be with the most sun exposure to get the best out of your solar performance. For my production team that I work closely with and would work closely on your projects, we have over 25 years of combined experience in the industry, ensuring that any questions or difficulties that are encountered while pulling your permit, planning your job, or installing your project are handled by qualified and experienced individuals. Besides being Diamond certified, High Definition prides itself on having all of our installers certified with the Enphase product that we install in your home to ensure quality and perfect installation. High Definition Solar has been in business for over 14 years. I've been in the business personally for over 16 years, and I'm proud to say that I'm a member of High Definition Solar. We have a strong team of over 20 employees, all working hard and striving to achieve the best possible outcome for your project. We serve the Greater Bay Area, North Bay, and the Sacramento territories, as well as the Modesto and Stockton regions. Some of the biggest concerns homeowners have when going solar and putting solar on their roof is leaks. We use Pegasus racking equipment to ensure that every penetration, every drill into your home is flashed properly with multiple levels of protection to ensure no water will ever get where it's not supposed to go. If you're interested in going solar, please give High Definition a call. We'd be happy to help.